Fucking hell.
What road is this? I've never even seen this shit.
The car likes you.
Like the actual touch it view here, but you can't see
He's drunk demons. I can't see your fucking face.
Room the kitchen, listen, I can hear the victim listening. I missed him when I pulled out the big thing, the Rolex watch on the sat there glistening. All I ever wanted was an S3 with a black rims and a badge on screen. Hearing it raw when I come on the
Thank you, Race.
Do we want poppadoms?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. Josh, man.
There is Josh.
No, I would. What the fuck? That was a bit more for me, you know. Sorry, no, this. Should we get some now? Oh, we did.
Look.
Wait, bro.
What's up?
Fucking garbage, man.
Yeah. Gerard Butler.
Oh, well, I'm just saying.
Gerard Butler, bruv. In that?
Outside. What's up? Bruno, outside. Yeah, we'll be with the roads.
The worst part is I haven't seen that in years.
It's weird, but you know when we played, this is what it looked like, but we thought it was normal.
Except not really, because this TV's massive
yeah,
and
massive,
shit,
yeah,
so
yeah.
it kind of.
I only ever played that. You remember the fucking tennis one? That's about it.
Oh, yeah.
I got all the games.
Put the night vision goggles on.
Nice. Okay, Pete, we can play.
Oh, yeah.
What did you do?
I don't know.
You don't know, you know exactly what you did to. You don't, I don't know.
You hit a bollard.
Which place?
That's what the fuck we're talking about.
Just get my drink, get my...
Saucy, you
I
fucking
think every
bitch.
try. One now, you know. It's like...
Right, who's first?
Check all these fucking me cunts out!
I never did have.
Oh no, I feel like I'm gonna smash TV.
Oh, you meant buck teeth? You meant buck teeth? Nah, there's
Nah, I fucking no chance.
Oh, that's actually a naughty strike.
Oh, yeah, it kind of is like. Wait, is it mine still?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh no!
Oh no!
What's he done?
He's ripped the bottle to bits.
Fuck off, you dirty cheating bastard!
YouTube tutorial to be able to do this strike
Oh
right
shit!
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Oh,
Stop that, got that remote. He's fucking eating. Oi!
What?
Fuck
Pussy
off,
all.
dirty ginger.
nice and straight. Oh, yeah.
Hey! Silly corn.
The mad because the good cats actually.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, who's the fucking game, mate? Dirty cheating, ratty bastard.
Oh, that's a nice strike.
Fuck off.
Fuck off! This is what I do every time I go bowling. I just aim it straight and I just belt it.
Yeah.
Bang! No. In real life, that would have gone straight.
Bang! Dirty Nazi bastard! Fuck off, is he winning? That's actually a peak camera spot. I didn't see that just till now. You don't get strikes going down the middle of these gaps, mate. It's like squeeze bends, you gotta make the gap.
Cutting off right now. Me.
In a cease. Listen, let me set the game.
In this next one, I'm gonna give it full belt. You better watch this shit. Let's landing off a roof.
Right, there you go. It's time for me to start cheating. There you go, that's a strike for it.
Oh! Oh, he swung it. How's that not a strike though? You seen that shit?
You know when he said that, when he said it, he was being genuine like that. A bit of anger.
Hey, how's he doing it from that angle though? He's doing get away with this shit. What?
He's giving it a rim job. these bowling alleys, yeah, dead ass, these bowling alleys are straight as they go. They're straight, they don't even have a bump in them.
Press A.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
I doubt it. Oh, I fucking doubt it.
Shit!
Doing some fucking dishes in. Watch this silly fucker. TV's coming off at wall.
Right through as well. There's a little line built.
Yeah, fuck yourself. Big cunt.
He ran into it. He ran into the floor as well. Up in.
This shit's actually fun.
Bang! It actually.
Sport.
It curled back.
That was bullshit. You know? If I were to fucking do it full call like that.
Smashing me.
Fuck's going on back there? Look, he looks like Adolf Hitler, silly cunt. Fuck you!
I just set back that.
Oh,
I think I'll just change up a little bit more.
Anthony Fantano.
He ran into it. How the fuck does that happen? Fuck your balls. I mean, fuck your bowling pins.
Oh, yeah!
Fuck
Fucking silly bastard!
Oh, I thought I really got away with that.
Oh, that's what. Oh, yeah, that's as straight as what you're gonna get.
He's taking piss from we froze like that. These cunts.
This is actually sick. I've never played this shit in my life. This fucking little shithouse controller. Put this shit on though, cause for this one, fucking straps on.
He's Go on then.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you!
That's raw power right there, Harry.
No, you're not. Oh, that's a strike.
Is this a
off it.
full bowling game?
Fuck off, you pins on your shit.
Oh, you gotta knock them down? I just like throwing heavy objects.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, fucking wanker!
Bastard. He's a dirty.
That's kind of impressive.
No, it fucking ain't.
Yeah, mad.
Good job, man.
Oh, please!
He's really no.
This is actually funny.
Hey!
Oh! Get it in the middle. What the fuck are we doing out here? Like, what the fuck are we doing like out here? Is it joking? Get it in the middle.
Wait, is it still? Oh no. Is it me?
Yeah.
No, me.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Yeah. It's like
I just won the game for him. What?
wins anyways. He's coming off a strike. What
I
fuck?
might cover it.
Yeah,
What
what
fuck? He's coming
Yeah.
off a strike.
fuck?
Oh my goodness! He's got a strike.
Oh. Hey, who am I?
You were Bex, Harry. I'm Mark and Josh is.
Where's
Fuck off! He's got a strike. That's a-
你 going out, Bruno? Bruno.
'Leftovers.
哦。
Oh, fluffy cones.
Look at these are the old lights
Yeah,
that
yeah,
they haven't replaced for years.
Oh yeah.
I think these are super nice.
Right, those.
Oh,
That's it, reminds me a bit of transit.
yeah.
Hands in the air from my Yorkshire rafters. Don't keep it lit when the police arrest us. They wanna call us burgling bastards. Think they're upset cause they go cat taxes. She want a man from Bradford. She want a man from
Fucking
Billy
piggies.
Tracksuits, she want a man from